What's going, guys? It's Josh's toy show, and where I'm gonna be rolling WWE action figures, and from Ringside too, from Ringside Collectibles. Yeah, I do. So the first one I bought this. I was about to open it, but I forgot I was gonna roll first. Sheriff Flair. Oh, reason I opened this one. What I'm gonna do. Well, I'm gonna do like some different stuff on my show. Some different days. Where I'm gonna play with the action figures. Where some people do it, like Grim did it. Kid Big Hammer does other, but not on camera. But his girlfriend does. Actually, he records them. But let's say I'm gonna roll this one. Show you this one already. The Sheriff Flair. Just want to see the first cup of ball. I'll bring some cup. I picked it out, but I forget which one. So let's see. I did order another one, guys, today. I'll roll that one today. After that, I'll probably take a little break, save up, try to get a couple of them at the same time, but we'll see how it goes. Like to wear some with a bunch of. We'll see. And we got Sarah's 100 with the Rock on Ringside Collectibles. Yeah, I did order one, but I'm not telling you what it is yet until it comes. Then I'll roll another video. But I will make another video because I did bought. It's on my Instagram. You guys can go there. Other does I bought before. But the Sheriff Flair one that I bought is I forget where I got it from, but I like that one. We'll see. This one I get from Ringside Collectibles and will not be playing with. They're gonna be getting hanged up on my new stuff. I might want to be moved. Like straight time. Okay, the room. Do a lot more stuff, more grills. But right now, I don't have much room in this room to do any of the walls. My next video, I did buy a WWE Championship belt, but it was $60. 60 or 100 was one of that. I got a Target, but it's a couple more one. But I'll show you that on my next video. So what else? There ain't more playing. Yeah, what I said, I'm doing box rolls. Game reviews of the WWE 2K20. That's gonna play. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I've been playing. I like it better than I want. The glitches are actually funny. I do agree with Grim about it is funny. I like some of the glitches in there. I say it's better than the last one, the 2019, 2K19. But and WrestleMania predictions, like every pay-per-view that WWE's gonna have, I'm gonna do predictions for it. look for that too. I think that's about it, and then maybe do some gaming videos with the WWE 2K20. Who knows? I got stuff I'm playing. So we'll see how that goes. Oh yeah, I did do 2 autograph signing. I went to Doug Slater. Not Kelly, but I bought that somewhere in the mall where it was called BC Sports in a different mall, but they're not in the mall anymore. But then this is my second autograph signing with Nia Jax I went to. So Doug Slater was my first, and that's my second for Nia Jax at Adventureland, and it's in the outlets now, but it used to be, when I saw Doug Slater, I was in the Astronaut Mall. The mall's like dead there now. But I like how they have it in the outlets now. Much bigger. And I think that's about it for guys. My next video, look on my Instagram and Twitter, because I'll post stuff when this video goes up. I don't know when this video will go up, but I'm going to try to get up as soon as possible. But it might not be that good, but I had to look for it, and because I did have one for when I did my other channel, YouTube channel, Prank Splits 18, but I won't be doing that much with that YouTube channel much anymore. But I'm still gonna keep it reset for like gaming and stuff, and maybe other videos I do like pranks or stuff with my family that'll go on that channel. But anything with wrestling, anything, it would be on Josh's Toy Show. That's my YouTube channel, JTS, but it's Josh's Toy Show. But that's my Instagram name too, and Twitter. So go follow that. But one more thing before I go, guys. My little collection of wrestling cards in this. I used to have my football cards in there, but I'm not ready to try to collect football cards much no more, so I took them out. Got that. I also have a binder, but I'll show that one next time I get them out. Probably when I go to my new house, you guys will see the cards. I think I've ordered 2 binders. One binder is full. That's almost over 200 or 300 cards, and a couple more. I think I've ordered 1,000 now of wrestling cards. And I used to buy wrestling videos back then, but don't buy that no more because the WWE Network is out. And when they came out that, I stopped buying videos. So now I just watch the WWE Network. That's all. But I still might buy them. I'm not sure. But we'll see how that plans out. Okay, this is my laptop I got for my birthday. On my real laptop. Got T-Fox, Tanner Fox sticker, and Chicken with Jordan. Okay guys, that's about it. I'll see you on the next video, and I think that's about it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.